Hello and welcome back to. Wait, that can't be right. It's not. I'm the sound. I'm the Sounds of the Valley host. Okay, that's cool. I guess there's gonna be music tonight. I don't know. We're not doing Handful anymore. Who knows what's going on with that show? I'm the music man tonight. Stay tuned after this intro. Hello, and welcome back to the Music Hour. Don't look at the click me for free money thing. That has nothing to do with what we're doing tonight. Tonight we're going to be doing some music roulette. And I've got some two guest stars here with me. I would like to know your names, though. I met you guys in the studio, but you guys didn't say your names. You just kind of walked in here.
Oh, hi, I'm Mia. Yeah.
I am Jordan, also known as Braxton, though, so you can also call me Braxton if need be.
Is your favorite drink Mountain Dew? No more questions, Your Honor. How invested are you guys in music or instruments?
Considering I'm wearing a B&B like sweatshirt and necklace and I have a trumpet on my back, pretty invested.
I would say I am invested in the subjective idea of instruments, not actually in person, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just only in my mind. But yeah, I am interested. I am invested, even, you could say.
And I'm invested in stocks and bonds, but you don't hear me talking about it. Now let's get to spinning this wheel and figuring out what exactly we have to do here. But first of all, how we play this game is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. You guys are gonna love it. Basically, what we do is we spin the wheel, and for each person, it's gonna decide what instrument we're gonna have to learn and what instrument we're gonna have to play in 5 minutes. And we get to pick the songs, hopefully not copyrighted. I'm looking for some hot cross buns. I'm looking for some recorder starting notes and all that stuff. But let's get into this spin. So let's get a first spin, and this one's gonna be my instrument here. I'm a little nervous, I'm gonna be honest. And I think I got a winner here with the keyboard, to be honest. Looking at all the other choices, this one might be my best case scenario here. So I win the keyboard, and I'm going to have to learn this in 5 minutes. I've never played piano before. I have barely even touched a piano in my life. But I'm going to play like Beethoven when I get that keyboard out here.
Okay, I guess it's my turn. Can someone spin it? Oh.
Respin it.
I think it might be rigged. Oops. Yeah. I knew this was gonna happen. Okay, ukulele. Nice.
Okay, I'm ready and I'm nervous. Here we go. Waiting for it to spin. Having a little... Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, I can beatbox. Sweet.
So for the microphone thing, you can sing, you can rap, you can beatbox, basically whatever you want to do. Make your voice an instrument, a dangerous weapon of an instrument on the microphone, and just kind of have fun with it. How do you feel about the microphone?
I feel good. I love doing ad libs in my personal free time. So, you can be ready to hear some Lil Jon, Quavo, Splash, so maybe we might do a little like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with some ad libs. Not that I'm saying that I'm going to do it, but maybe.
Fair enough. Mia, are you confident about your choice?
Not at all. I don't know anything about ukulele. I play brass. This is going to be a struggle. I might try hot cross buns. I probably won't succeed, but yeah.
Welcome to the freaking club. But without further ado, we're going to cut to black here. You're not going to see it, but with a snap of a finger, voila, we're going to be back. So stay tuned.
Hello. I'm Jordan. I got the microphone, as you can see. Tonight, I'm going to be doing something that's really near and dear to my heart. So if y'all ever heard of Quavo, Pitbull, T-Pain, Eminem, imagine that, but with Twinkle Little Star, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, you gotta hear me out. All right. Here we go, y'all. If you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you've ever wanted, one moment, would you take it or just let it slip? Quavo, T-Pain, Ursha Baby, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What up above the world so high?
This is an insane
Quavo
energy
like
to open
a
up on.
diamond in the sky, splash, twinkle,
It's
twinkle,
silent in the studio
little
right
star,
now.
how I
There's no
wonder
other
what
noise.
you are. T-Pain, Quavo, Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide.
Oh, that was it. That was all of it. Well, beautiful performance by Jordan there. We'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Mia, if you remember that. I don't know. I was given a ukulele. I'm gonna play Riptide, apparently. I don't know the song, but yeah.
Just a heavy breath. Wow, beautiful chords there. My arms are tired.
I'm done now. I don't
Wow.
know anything.
Wow. Beautiful performance. Beautiful performance by
I'm
Mia
never
there.
doing this again.
Yeah. Reminds me a lot of Percy Jackson. Stick with us. We'll be right back.
Hello. I'm Dan, the host of Sound of the Valley, and I got selected to choose the piano. It's called Ram Card apparently. And this one's for my mom who called me like 10 minutes ago. It's called
Not even a bit. She actually did.
She did actually call me. Actually, that's a fun fact. This one is called Rhymes Like Dimes by MF Doom. So
What? Oh. He's killing it. He's killing it.
let's turn it up a bit. This one's called Magical Wand apparently. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't like that one.
Honest
you like
opinion,
jazz?
Dan.
Because this is gonna be jazzy for a second.
Does Dan know how to? I don't think this is jazz.
I don't think it's jazz either. Jazz organ is what it said.
Very different from jazz. Jazz is a very specific style.
Hey, you're the judge, but you're judging a bit too much.
Wow.
Okay? I'm trying to work my magic.
Sorry.
Here.
Never mess with an artist. I get it. I get it.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Okay, now let's play the same exact song that I've been playing this entire time, but jazz organ bossa nova. This one's kind of cool.
This one's... Damn.
I didn't like that one, I'm gonna be honest.
Kind of hits.
It
Reminds me
kinda
of
do
Blade
hit, though,
Runner.
To be honest. All right. And for the finale, wait, hold on. I was doing something really cool there for a second.
Aren't we
don't
all?
laugh at me in the background.
That's
All
the
right.
story of Dan's life, doing something cool for a second.
And then it just all goes bad.
Yeah.
Okay, last one. Mr. Judge, do you have any requests?
Nothing I can say on the station.
How about one that you can say on the station?
Take Me Out to the Ball Game. I
All
think.
right.
It's a classic.
We are playing Rhymes Like Dimes by MF Doom.
Not mad about it. It still Leaves in the Vine. It's the same Leaves in the Vine from earlier. It's not even a different cover.
Pitch bend. I'm out. Thank you, New York.
Thank you, New York. We're like so far from New York. Wow. Wow, okay. Some beautiful performances tonight. We will be right back with awards and judgment after this. Welcome back to this episode of Sounds of the Valley. I'm your noble host, Addison Dayton, and I have made my final judgment, and I've decided to award the points and all of the winner to Mr. Dan Zons. Please come on, Dan Zons.
Woo. I'm not on air. Now I am. Is this scrumptious apple for me?
I bestow upon you the sanctimonious and sacred apple, and I definitely didn't do this just because it was rigged, and Dan is the host of the show. He definitely was the most skilled.
Yes, I played the most pitch changes in mine, and I also played some notes on the piano.
He played the same song 5 times.
I
was
did.
pretty cool.
And I said that there were multiple song changes, but there weren't any song changes. This is the same song just over and over again. But I thank you for this victory and for this reasonable look. I'm not biting this
Bite
apple.
it.
This apple is not real.
Take a snack.
I'm not taking a snap out of this apple. This apple looks fake. But no, don't bite that either. All right, someone needs to pull Addison out of here because he's no longer judge. But thank you for watching, everyone.
I've been here for 50 years.
He has not been here for 50 years. I don't know what he's talking about. He's definitely not held here against his will on Sounds of the Valley. I didn't say that.
End it.
End it now. And guess what? Thank you for watching. Oh my God.